Hello everyone, my name is John Foryt with Greif. I am the Product Safety and Compliance Manager for North American business. And today I'm going to talk a little bit about UN marks. So most of the packaging Greif produces is what's known as UN rated packaging, which means that customers will notice a little marking on the side of the package that starts with the letters UN in a little circle. The marking indicates that the packaging has undergone testing and certification to be used as a vessel for the transportation of dangerous goods. While this marking may seem confusing if you're not familiar with it, it actually contains some really important information about what type of design the packaging is, as well as the materials of construction used to make the packaging. It'll also tell you who manufactured the packaging and when they made it. So important for customers is it also indicates what types of hazardous materials are authorized to be transported in that particular package. So if you're not sure you've got something dangerous, you've got to look at this marking to make sure you understand what that drum is capable of, paired with what type of dangerous good you're moving. So let's use an example, a plastic drum. It may start with the code 1H1 or 1H2 right after that UN symbol. And this indicates that it's either a tight head or open top plastic drum. There's some other ones that you may notice in the industry. 1A1 is a tight head steel drum, for example, or you may notice a 1G for a fiber drum. So next up in the string, you will see a letter X, Y, or Z. This indicates what level of hazardous material the drum can accommodate. So X, as you might have guessed, corresponds to the most hazardous materials, high hazards. Y indicates medium hazards, and Z is the lowest level of hazards. So depending on what type of packaging you have, you may be looking at something that is built to transport the most dangerous things, or maybe something just mildly hazardous. So after this letter, you'll see a value indicating the maximum density that the package is authorized to transport for liquid rated containers. Alternatively, if the drum or package is rated for solids, you will see the maximum gross mass that package is intended to move. After this, there will be a value for the hydrostatic test pressure if it's a liquid rated design, or alternatively, there'll be an S indicating that is in fact for solids only. The last three pieces of information in the UN mark are three things that are very important. One, when the package was made, so the year of manufacture, the country of manufacture, and also information on who made that package. So in Greif's case, you'll see a GBC right at the end of the mark, or internationally, you may see a GEF. That tells you that the drum was certified and tested by Greif. Again, you'll see these marks all over Greif's packaging, a lot of different varieties. It can be really confusing if you're not familiar with them, but it is important that the end users of all our packaging understand what these mean, so you can make sure that you're evaluating that the package is indeed suitable to transport the material that you need to move. As always, if you have questions, please feel free to reach out to myself or your nearest Greif representative.